Would you enjoy studying plants? Do you have good maths and science marks? Have you got the ability to analyze, interpret, and report on research findings? If you have said yes to these questions, the occupation of botanist might be the one for you. Botanists are life scientists who study plants ranging from fungi and algae to trees like the baobab. The primary task of a botanist is research or applied research that relates to plants. Botanists work in a wide range of places and industries. Some are employed by research institutes and academic institutions. Others work for agricultural, food, and pharmaceutical companies. There are botanists who are consultants for environmental and plant conservation groups. Although their jobs may differ widely, botanists are scientists who carry out research. Plant taxonomists identify and classify plants based on morphological, genetic, and biochemical observations. Sometimes they find new types of plants, which they then classify. Plant physiologists study the life processes of plants. They focus on how plants grow, reproduce, and manufacture food. Some study processes like photosynthesis at a molecular level. Some botanists study a particular group or type of plant. For example, mycologists study fungi, and marine botanists focus on marine plants. Botanists working in conservation and ecology analyze environmental threats to plants. They map areas where various indigenous plant populations grow. They forecast how various plant species respond to climate change and pollution. This information is used to advise on the protection of vulnerable ecosystems and species under threat. Some botanists specialize in the practical applications of the findings of their research colleagues. They work in fields such as agriculture, conservation, forestry, horticulture, and agronomy. Botanists who work in agricultural research study ways to produce new varieties of plants that are disease-resistant. They find new ways to control weeds. Plant pathologists research and identify plant diseases and pests. They research new methods to control and eradicate these pests and diseases. They are botanists who work to identify and isolate plant chemicals for use in pharmaceuticals or other products. Working conditions for these scientists vary. Some botanists work in laboratories, while others carry out their research in the field or in greenhouses. Some travel extensively to collect plant specimens. All botanists spend part of their time in offices writing up their research findings. Depending on their area of specialization, botanists may work alone or with other scientists as part of a research team. Research assistants or life science technicians often assist them with their work. To become a botanist, a Bachelor of Science degree with a major in a subfield of botany is the first step. Other majors such as chemistry, physics, biochemistry, or environmental science are advantageous. Although there are a limited number of non-research employment options, most will still require a minimum of a master's degree. Obtaining a doctoral degree is often a necessity for senior roles. Working as a consultant is an option for highly specialized and qualified botanists. These specialists receive recognition after publishing significant research findings in scientific journals.